Okay, I need to ask. Dudley, what is it tickled up at you know that?
I don't know, Angel, but I'm gonna ask us how ties are with those, but I don't know what to talk about it, Angel.
You're right. So, what was it about it, Dudley? What were we talking about it?
Well, Angel, I need to ask us how ties are with that, and I don't know what was going to be was that when I talk out to a factory.
Yeah, you... Wait,
Angel, this is how it works? What's wrong?
wait, mother. Is that disabled drill man of America? How did you get there?
I don't know, Angel.
Come on, let's get to the disabled drill, okay, Dudley?
Okay, Angel, okay.
Hey, you two, are you okay? Whoa, easy guys, don't be scared, it's just me and Dudley. Never mind, don't worry about it, don't be scared. Anyway guys, but my name is Bobby. I'm Bobby's Hedgehog the cat, and this is Dudley. Dudley, my best friend. Well, it's a dog. Wait, you love a dog? Oh, I'm glad you like it, guys. So, guys, what's your name, guys? What's your name? Wait, is he a girlfriend? Oh, great, guys, great.
There you go, everybody. I gotta help. Okay. I never hugged you, buddy.
Well, bud, take in my head. Trust me, I'm a friend. I'm your friend, okay? Just take in my head. You're welcome. Oh, this place? Oh, well, this is a playtime toy factory. Well, I think a cat is coming. Cannibal was a cat stupid with red spook in a strange harder lag mouse. I don't know what talking about it, but I need your help. We need a fight and shoot weather. Me and Dudley. Can you help me? Wait, really? Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Anyway, Dudley, where are we?
They're straight away though, Angel.
Oh, why? Guys, just follow me, come on. So, will you be my friend? Wait, now let's go.